Hello, this is Brandy down here at Subaru of Puyallup. Just want to go ahead and showcase the all-new 2025 Forester and how to install a booster seat. So come on and take a look. Okay, so here is going to be your front-facing booster seat. So there's two tether points to doing that. First one is going to be feeding the seat belt through the middle right here. Go ahead and click it in, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull it tight. That's gonna be your first tether point. Then we're gonna go in the back to do the second. Okay, so now we're at the back. We're gonna go ahead and do the second tether point. So of course you wanna feed it through your headrest right here. Go ahead and clip it. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull it tight. Go ahead and secure it. And that's how you do the second tether point. Okay, so after those two tether points have been put down, you're able to go ahead and load your child safely and then ready to go on the road. So there you go. If you guys have any further questions, you can always visit us at 720 River Road or SubaruofPuyallup.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.